Hey, pause for a beat before you scroll past another spec comparison. Legion Tower 5i. This is for you if you're the kind of person who feels when your system stutters, when that split-second lag steals a kill, or a render takes just a bit too long and you know it could have been smoother. You don't just chase numbers, you notice quality. And the second you fire this up, that difference hits you emotionally, not just technically. Before anything else, check the current price and stock. Machines like this that actually deliver consistently don't stay predictable for long, and hesitation usually turns into regret later. You probably remember the moment your old setup stopped inspiring confidence. Maybe games felt inconsistent. Maybe fan noise spiked when you pushed limits. Maybe heavy workloads made your system feel like it was begging for mercy. That's exactly when you realized you weren't frustrated because you're picky, you were frustrated because the hardware was holding you back from your potential. Switching to the Legion Tower 5i brings almost instant relief. It's like clearing static from sound, you didn't know how much it was getting in the way until it vanished. Boot times are sharp, transitions are fluid, and the whole system feels composed, like it's confident in itself instead of always asking for forgiveness. Picture marathon gaming sessions where multi-layered effects stay consistent and smooth, not jittery or uneven. Picture heavy editing or design work where timelines glide and responsiveness stays intact even under pressure. Imagine multitasking with streaming, creative tools, and games all open without that nervous glance toward performance monitors. That's the feeling of being supported, not limited. And what really stands out isn't just power, it's stability. The GeForce RTX 5070 Ti doesn't just push frames, it holds them. The Intel Core Ultra 7 doesn't just churn cores, it balances performance intelligently so you get speed exactly where you need it. Once you feel that reliability, going back to anything less feels like a compromise you can't unsee. Don't assume prices or availability will hang around. High-end, AI-powered desktops with this balance tend to disappear fast, and waiting usually costs you more. You might be thinking this is just another gaming PC, but that doubt fades the moment you use it. The surprise isn't just how fast it runs, it's how confident it feels under load. Quiet where it needs to be. Composed when it's pushed. That's the kind of performance that doesn't ask for attention, it earns it. Owning this gives you a quiet pride. You sit down and feel ready. Like the system finally reflects how seriously you take your craft or your play. You stop scanning specs because nothing else feels like a meaningful step forward. You feel smooth responsiveness deep into sessions. You feel confidence pushing settings higher. You feel headroom that stays consistent. You feel a system that matches your standards. It's not built for casual, low-demand use. And it's not aiming to be the cheapest choice. At some point, you exit the endless comparison loop. You stop wondering what might be close enough. You choose the one that already feels like the right choice for how you work and play. Check the price while it still feels smart. Don't let this become one of those upgrades you delay, only to look back wishing you'd acted when it all lined up perfectly.